I mention this because if I seem a little low energy, that is why. Another thing is today is January 6th. My wife and I, Geraldine and I, we just started a 3 day water fast. We do that twice a year. Usually at the end of the year and then mid year, we do an 84-hour water only fast to kind of reset our bodies. We do prayer, we do a lot of devotion, and then it's a lot of cell restoration that happens at the cellular level. So it's very good for you if you've never done it. I highly recommend you do it. Start small and then work your way up. This is maybe the fifth time we do it, so we're kind of getting used to it. It's never easy, but you just get stronger and you get better at it. But I mention this because if I seem a little low energy, that is why. I haven't eaten anything all day, just been drinking water.